There's another song,
That's your fault.
but
There's so much you have to know.
I don't know who sings it.
Girl, settle
doing?
down.
Just biting myself.
What are you doing?
Look at me.
This is annoying us.
I am old.
I'm happy. There's another song.
Once like
It's,
you are now. And I know that
Guys,
it's not
when I was 18, I did this. When I was 19, I did this. When I was 20, I did this. When I was 60,
Who sang it? Cat Stevens.
no.
No.
I don't know. As a young, a newer version.
With the mud.
I don't stop. Come here.
Come for a walk.
Where are we walking?
Down here. Can you walk to the water or not?
No.
You stay here then. I'm going to the water.
I'll end up in the water.
Yeah, no, you stay there then. I'm going to the water.
Go and check on me face.
I'm going to check out all the bloody prawns. Tide's running out. It was up here, obviously. It's out here a bit. My boat, Marty's boat. We're out a bit. Yeah, I hate the mud. Hate the mud. It's just all mud here. It's so yuck. But there's a lot of there is a lot of fish life. There's heaps of fish here. Heaps. It's good. But I'm not a fisherman. I've never been a fisherman. I fish now and again, but I'm not a fisherman. Me, like I tell everyone, I'm a drinker man. I drink the fish. Oh, I just saw something sharp then, and that hurt. What the fuck was that? Some sort of shell. Great. Yeah, that's us. Marty's boat. There's land over there, so not far away, but you know, a little bit of a swim. I don't know if you can see all the fish jumping. Obviously only a little fish, but it's still cool to see it. My little tinker. See if we can see any fish this way. A couple little fish jumping. There. With some crabs tomorrow, hopefully. Alright, I'll leave it is. See yous.